What is better than having a delicious, spicy homemade pasta? This pasta recipe has a wonderful taste and is rich in spices. This recipe will fit anywhere. It can be an appetizer, side dish, or even a main meal. This is a really simple recipe. Even a person starting cooking can make this. It is a healthy meal providing lots of nutrients and will keep you fuller longer. Chatoray party, let's teach you how to make this delicious recipe. So let's chatpat into it. First, we will boil 2 liters of water. Add salt to give the pasta a bit of salty flavor. Add oil so that our pasta does not stick together. When the water starts to boil, add pasta and cook it for 10 minutes until the pasta is soft. Carefully strain it and pour tap water to stop the cooking process and set it aside to cool. Let's cook chicken and vegetable. In a pan, heat the oil and add crushed garlic. Cook the garlic until it turns light golden brown. Add the chicken and cook on a high flame until its color changes to white. Wow, that was quick. Add salt, red chili, ooh, spicy. Then add black pepper, ooh, even more spicy. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Add chopped carrots. Chop some fresh spring onions. I'm adding a green capsicum. You can even add yellow or red to make the pasta even more appetizing. Add soya sauce. Ooh, don't you just love that? And I think it's a must to have soya sauce and ketchup in your pasta. Ooh, there it goes. Mix it well. Cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the flavor of the sauces and spices can incorporate into the chicken and vegetable. Oh, that turned out pretty good. Look at the colors. Now I'm going to add some lemon juice to give the pasta a tangy flavor. Then add boiled pasta and make sure to mix it well. Ta-ta-ta! Your pasta is ready. And enjoy! here it is, delicious and mouth-watering pasta.
Honestly, I can't wait to eat.
So who's telling you to wait? Let's start. Here you go. What happened?
Hot.
It's not that hot, is it? Let me try. Wow. That is really delicious. And it's not hot, Ibrahim.
It's delicious but mostly hot.
It's not. Anyways guys, if you like the video, consider subscribing because there are more fun videos coming. Hit the like button and the notification bell so you get notified on our new videos. See you in the next video. Ooh, I'm going to have some more of those pasta.
Even me.